Hi, I am Yesu, person with low vision. It was difficult to use the screen. There is solution, I got solution for it. Magnifier settings. To activate magnifier, just press Windows plus. Then to activate dark view, just press Alt Ctrl D. Where screen will split into two parts. Upper part is magnifier and the lower part is normal, so you can easily navigate. To escape these settings, just press Windows plus escape.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.